Good morning, everyone. We are team number 26. I am Somlingappa Guddadavar.
I am Nivedita Ganger.
We are presenting a food recipe on kulcha. It is a kulcha.
History of kulcha. Origin. Kulcha is a type mildly leavened flatbread and spicy food.
Kulcha is India and Indian subcontinental recipe.
Ancient history. The history of kulchas goes back to the Mughals and Nizams, Khansams during the Shah Jahan's time, used to stuff kulcha with the vegetables and they made into popular in the darbar.
It was so tasty that it became the official bread for breakfast and cha.
More about kulcha. It is a flatbread and filled with the stuffing of your choices, like a spicy boiled potato filling, paneer stuffing, gobi stuffing, and onion stuffing.
Spread of food in different states. Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab region.
New names of kulchas: plain kulcha, butter kulcha, paneer kulcha made with the yeast, dahi, curd, aloo kulcha, Hyderabadi paneer, potato kulcha.
Onion potato kulcha, stuffed masala kulcha, diesel kulcha, and matar kulcha.
These are the some kulcha recipe. First one is bread kulcha. Second one is aloo butter kulcha. Third one is butter stuffed kulcha. Fourth one is paneer butter kulcha.
Recipes of kulcha. Main ingredients are maida, salt, and water. Mix with the maida, salt, sugar, baking powder, and baking soda in a bowl. Make a well in the center.
Add curd, oil, and water. Begin to mix the flour with the liquids first and then the start to knead.
Make a smooth and soft dough. Let the dough live in 2 hours.
Make a small ball of dough. Sprinkle some nigel and seeds of the ball. Within the rolling, flatten the dough and roll each into small size. Kulcha on a lightly dusted and the rolling the board. Then
heat a griller tawa. He has been has to be a very hot. Place the kulcha on the tawa. Cook one side partly till 1.5 hour cooked.
Cook other side till the 1.5 cooked. Apply the ghee or oil on both side of kulcha. Cook them till gets gold spots and evenly cooked. Make a kulcha this way.
Combination of kulcha: chole kulcha and raita, masala aloo kulcha and tomato onion tadka raita,
Vegetable kulcha and cucumber green chili raita, palak chole tawa amritsari kulcha and pudina dhania raita,
cutlet chole and onion stuffed kulcha and palak raita, peshwari chole, paneer chole and bundi raita.
Health rating of kulcha. Paneer and butter kulcha. It is a good for the diabetes, heart patients, and butter kulcha gives 112 calories.
Alternatives of butter paneer kulcha. We have created a whole wheat kulcha. It is a good for health. We have done is a replace the plain flour with the whole wheat flour and removed the aloo. It is only 87 calories. So diabetes, heart patients and weight loss patients can enjoy this food.
Wheat kulcha is good for weight loss, diabetes patients, heart patients, and also healthy lifestyle.
Popularity. Kulcha is a popular Indian flatbread from North India, especially in Punjab. They are very famous in Amritsar and Delhi. The best kulchas are made in Amritsar.
The kulchas are sold in all restaurants, hotels, and street foods.
Price tag. Street food is in rupees 30 rupees. Hotel and restaurants starting price of chola kulcha is 90. Aloo kulcha is 90. Paneer kulcha is 130. Aloo cheese kulcha is 140. Online price chole kulcha is 145.
Competing foods in market: kachori, pav bhaji, vada pav, tandoori roti, aloo tikki, uh, basic ragi roti, paratha.
Twist for launch of the food. We have to launch stuffed vegetables and butter kulcha with a combination of green chili raita.
Ingredients are refined flour maida is a 200 grams, carom seeds is a 1 tablespoon, baking soda is 1 tablespoon, ghee 2 tablespoons, butter 2 tablespoons,
Salt 1.5 spoon, sugar 1.4 spoon, fresh green coriander is 2 to 3 bundles. Vegetables are 1 to 2 watts.
Vegetables and butter kulcha is a kind of a street food. It is a so tasty and yummy food. All kinds of people can eat this food. Marketing strategy: low price. In a
Marketing strategy are low price, advertisement, different taste.
conclusion: observation of the ongoing food related to behavior has been too essential for the understanding food preparation, rules, and recipe. This recipe is a very popular in India. It is a made from the main course of the maida flour. We can change the stuffing in the kulcha. They give a different taste, and the combination of kulchas, masalas, paneer, matar, masala, and also it is a suit for the non-vegetarian also.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.